breaking updates coming in from Telangana. From icon of sacrifice to deity, the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has now called Sonia Gandhi a deity, triggering a fresh debate over the sycophancy in Congress party. Now, it's not the first time. He has also previously referred to Sonia Gandhi, and now yet again, the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy calling Sonia Gandhi a deity, triggering a fresh debate.
को हम अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे, ये रेयर मॉडल लेकर देश में हम आगे जाएंगे. फाइनली ये लेटर, दिस इज फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, दिस इज फॉर मी ऑस्कर अवार्ड, दिस इज फॉर मी नोबेल प्राइज. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी मुझे अप्रिशिएट करते हुए एक खत लिखा है. फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे काम कर सकता हूं, वेलफेयर कर सकता हूं, डेवलपमेंट कर सकता हूं और दूसरे कुर्सी में बैठ सकता हूं, मगर सोनिया जी अप्रिशिएशन जो लेटर खत लिखा मेरा नाम पे, सोनिया जी खुद दस्तखत कर देंगे. फॉर मी दिस इज लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट. थैंक यू.
So the charge is that this is a clear indication of the Congress sycophancy. My colleague Shomit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Shomit, not the first time that Revanth Reddy has heaped these praises on Sonia Gandhi, but with the Gandhi siblings in attendance, he seemed to have even called her a deity. Take us through when this statement was made, why he made that statement, and of course the reaction of the Congress leaders on that.
Well, see, yesterday, Chief Minister of Telangana State, Revanth Reddy, was addressing this, meeting with the Congress High Command, and basically day before yesterday he came to the national capital, and mainly because of the, discussing with the party's High Command about OBC's reservations, and because also recently ordinance was brought, and also even 2 bills have been passed by the Telangana Assembly earlier and sent to the center, and they've been demanding center to pass a bill in the parliament, allowing BCs, around for giving 42% reservation. So basically, because the capping is also there in the Supreme Court, that is not possible to allow giving reservations. So even when it comes to that 42% reservation, it is also even 10% Muslims are also involved in that. And BJP has made it very much clear that we'll be not supporting until and unless that 10% is not given to the Muslims, and reservation is not given to the religion, any person based on the religion. So, however, he went there to speak to the High Command, including a meeting Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and also later he met Priyanka Gandhi as well, and even Mallikarjun Kharge to meet and discuss about the OBC reservation. And even Sonia Gandhi, after that, Sonia Gandhi has written a letter stating that thank you very much for inviting me to the presentation of the model and methodology of the Telangana socio-economic educational empowerment, political and caste survey 2024, because this was conducted in 2024, and it took 1 year for the Telangana government to conduct this caste survey across the Telangana with around 1 lakh enumerators. So Sonia Gandhi has written a letter addressing Revanth Reddy and thanking him for inviting to this. So basically, and responding to that letter, Sonia Gandhi's letter, Revanth Reddy has called a deity and said that this is a lifetime achievement for me, and it's a Nobel Prize for me, and and he also thanked her for writing a letter, and that too in the presence of Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and even other Congress leaders. And Congress leaders were seen earlier, opposition leaders said that earlier Revanth Reddy has attacked same Sonia Gandhi and now calling her deity, and this is the second time again Revanth Reddy calling Sonia Gandhi deity and also praising her in front of the Congress cadre, and even it's calling it as a lifetime achievement.
Okay, all right. And what is he talking about? He's talking about one letter that we have accessed as well, but the charge that the Congress party has often faced is of sycophancy, and that's what we're seeing yet again. The BJP is saying that this is a clear indication that if you want to survive in the Congress party, if he wants to remain the chief minister, this is what he needs to say about the Gandhi Parivar. So what was he really talking about? It's a letter. He in fact was seen holding that letter as well, as he said that this is my Nobel. This is the letter that Times Now has accessed. This was written by Sonia Gandhi to the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and it goes on to say Dear Shri Revanth Reddy, thank you very much for inviting me to the presentation of the model and methodology of the Telangana Socio-Economic, Educational, Employment, Political and Caste Survey, which is the caste survey, scheduled to be held at the AICC headquarters in Indira Bhavan in New Delhi on the 24th of July. While I would have been delighted to be a part of this significant and auspicious occasion, I regret that due to prior commitments, I will be unable to attend. However, I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to you and all the participants for a successful and memorable event. Now, Sonia Gandhi was unable to attend the event, and then she handed this letter to be given to the Telangana Chief Minister, and that the Telangana Chief Minister held and said that her appreciation means everything for him, and he went on to even call Sonia Gandhi a deity. In fact, we have more breaking updates coming in.